afternoon. Guess where we are again. Another random vlog na naman today sa outlets. Nabitin ng shopping kamakalwa. Diyos ko po. Anyway, shopping ulit, shopping. First up is USTS and nilakas sila. Mga half price or 1/3 of the price. Mura lang. Tsaka yung Calvin. Walang black. Ang cute ng plate charger. Pure gold ang hanap. Ah, okay. Very nice ang table setting. Oh, Coach ang ating blazer pack. 15k, 50% na siya. Kapag may extra budget na, bilhin ko to. Alexander Wang. 3.5 lang. Oh my god, they have here 10k. Pero sa Japan, dalawang handle. Ang alam ko, isa lang. 3 colors. Wait, napansin ko para siyang small. Hindi siya extra small. Kasi they have also large ones. 10k din. Ay, same price. Same price as small. Pero ganda ng color nito. How I wish. Bottega, Celine, and Prada. Love it. We're at bench and nakita ko to, ang cute. I have no idea. Ginaya yung IKEA. Pero ang liit, small. 119 na lang. Ano yan? Ang cute, Ralph. O Ralph, shout out. Magkano? Ito naman, 27.
550.
Lord. I found a Zara look-alike. Pero ano siya? Designer. It's worth 11k. Ang ganda. Tas white pa. Lacoste. Hala, I want 10k lang. Crossbody or clutch. Cute. Hindi siya kita. So, I'm in the fitting room and look at the pants. Okay ba? Size siya, 42. Not bad naman. Not bad yung fit. Next is blazer. Medyo oversized. Though large. Sana XL para mas oversized siya and yung arms natin is may allowance. What do you think? Pero red shade is not my color. Black, gray, and white lang. Pwede rin yung pop-up color pero we'll see. Pero wala yung mga other colors nito. Ito rin nakita ko. What do you think? Di ko pa natatanggal yung pants. Although siya. Terno, not bad. Saan ang party? What do you think? We're having a long line. Wala ko ng sigaris din. Snoopy. Bakit? Yes. iPhone na ba? Char. Hindi ko na mukhaan. iPad pala to. Yung katulad sa akin. Lol. Grabe alinaw. So we're at Mama's again. Order na naman ulit ng pizza. Nag-crave. spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Masarap yun.
Bolognese.
Sige.
Classic spaghetti. Bundle yun. Gusto ko pa naman ng truffle mushroom. Pero gusto nila ng classic. Finally, orders complete. Grabe, ang sarap. Focus, focus. Ay, mag-focus. That's it. Yum. Grabe ang sarap ano itong Chicago's Best. Lalo yung sibuyas. Grabe. White onion. Yum. Sarap. Back at Macau, nag-crave. Thank you. Ito open. Perfect. We're done for today. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.